Ever wondered how construction happens in places where the ground is frozen solid, temperatures drop to minus 60 degrees, and winter seems to last forever? Well, stick around, because today we'll break it all down. Construction isn't just hard in extreme environments like Yakutsk, Russia, and other Arctic countries. It's a whole different world. At minus 50 degrees and below, building materials like concrete can't cure properly, water freezes instantly, and even machines can break down because the oil thickens. To make matters worse, these regions do not have the usual earthen ground we build on. Instead, they have permafrost, which is a permanently frozen ground. If you don't build properly on permafrost, the heat from a building can melt the ground, causing it to sink and crack. This has got us wondering, how do engineers and builders lay a solid foundation and construct durable buildings in such extreme conditions? Let's start with the foundation construction. Instead of building directly on permafrost, engineers use piles, which are long metal or precast concrete columns driven deep into the ground. In some cases, the construction team will use a special auguring drill to cut through the permafrost before the reinforced cage is put inside and then filled with concrete. These piles anchor the building far below the frozen surface, ensuring stability. Long before the invention of machines, artisans used to thaw the permafrost by steaming it for months before inserting the piles. Thankfully, the invention of modern machines has improved this process. Buildings are often constructed off the ground to allow cold air to flow underneath. This prevents the building's heat from melting the permafrost below it. Heading over to the materials used, normal concrete can crack in freezing temperatures, but cold-resistant materials are specifically designed for this environment. Concrete has to be specially mixed with additives like hot water, accelerators, and insulating blankets to cure properly in the cold. Buildings in extreme cold often use prefabricated insulated panels and steel frames. These materials are fast to install and provide excellent insulation. Once a building is up, it's all about staying warm. Keeping the cold out and the heat inside is a top priority. Triple glazed windows are used to keep the warmth inside. These windows have 3 layers of glass with special gas in between to prevent heat loss. The walls of these buildings are packed with high-performance insulation to keep out the cold air and retain warmth. Heating in these areas isn't just about cranking up a heater. It's a complex system that often includes radiant floor heating, solar panels, and heat pumps designed for freezing temperatures. Not only do they use special materials, but the techniques to build in these conditions are unique too. Builders often use temporary heated tents to work in, ensuring that construction materials don't freeze during installation. Many of the houses constructed are brightly colored in an effort to combat depression and provide landmarks in low visibility conditions. In most Arctic regions, construction is done mostly in the summer months when it's a balmy minus 20 degrees Celsius. So there you have it. Building in the coldest places on Earth is no small feat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which cold weather building you'd love to visit. Until next time, stay warm out there.